You didn't come here to freeze in your own house or stare at a silent stove. You came to the trade table, where I fix the stuff no one warned you about. That tiny flame that keeps your appliances running, it's called a pilot light, and when it goes out, everything stops. Today I'll show you how to bring it back to life fast, safe, and no service call needed. Important: do not attempt to relight the pilot light if you smell gas or hear a hissing sound. Leave your home immediately, and call a professional. How to light a pilot. Light on a water heater. Find the pilot light. It may be behind an access panel. If so, remove it with a screwdriver. Turn off the gas. Locate the gas regulator valve and switch it to off. Wait 5-10 minutes to let any gas clear out. Adjust temperature settings. Turn the temperature control valve to the lowest setting or pilot. Light the pilot. If your water heater has an ignite button, press it. If not, hold a long match or grill lighter to the pilot light while pressing the gas valve button. Hold for 30-60 seconds. This allows the flame to stabilize. Turn the gas back on. Switch the regulator valve to on. Set the temperature. Adjust the temperature to your preferred setting and replace the access panel. Test it. If the water doesn't heat up after a while, your pilot light may have gone out again. How to light a pilot light on a furnace. Locate the pilot valve. Your furnace should have lighting instructions posted on it. Turn off the gas switch. The gas valve to off and wait at least 5 minutes. Switch to pilot mode. Turn the gas valve to pilot. Press and hold the reset button. This allows gas to flow. Light the pilot. If your furnace has an automatic igniter, press the ignition button. If not, use a long match or lighter to ignite the pilot while holding the reset button. Turn the gas back on. Once the pilot light stays lit, switch the valve to on. You should hear the furnace activate. If it won't stay lit, call a professional. How to light a pilot light on a gas stove. Make sure the stove is off. Turn all burners to the off position. Clean the burners. Remove burner covers and wipe away grease, dust, or food debris. Locate the pilot light ports. If you have a 4-burner stove, there are usually 2 pilot lights, one for each side. Light the pilot. Use a long match or lighter to ignite the central pilot light ports. Replace the hardware. Put back drip trays, burner covers, and stovetop lid. Test a burner. Turn on a burner to ensure it lights properly, then turn it off. If your stove still won't light, you may need a technician to check the gas flow. How to light a pilot light in an oven. Turn off the oven. Make sure all knobs are in the off position. Find the pilot light. It's usually located at the bottom of the oven. Check the owner's manual if you're unsure. Light the pilot. Use a grill lighter or long match to ignite the pilot light valve. If your oven requires manual lighting, slowly turn the temperature knob while holding the flame to the pilot. Close the oven door. Once the pilot light is burning, close the door and let it stabilize. Tip: if your oven has a separate broiler compartment, check there for the pilot light if you can't find it. Extra tips for relighting a pilot light. Know where your pilot light is before it goes out. It's easier to find in an emergency. Use a flashlight or phone light if your appliance is in a dark space. Turn on a ventilation fan if possible while lighting the pilot. If it won't light after multiple attempts, wait a few minutes before trying again. If it still won't light, call a technician. You may have a mechanical failure. If this helped you get the flame back, do yourself a favor, don't wait for the next outage. At the trade table, I've got high-quality gas appliances that just work, no flickering, no frustration. Hit the link below or head to thetradable.com to shop smarter and keep your home running smooth. And if you found this video useful, go ahead and like, subscribe, and share it with someone who might need it. I've got plenty more home tips coming your way.